On today's show, it's all about what multiple slow flushing toilets could indicate about your sewer line.
I'm getting ready to start plumbing.
Welcome back to the Potty Mouth, guys. I'm Richard Saad.
I'm John Eccles.
Today's topic is about what the cause of having more than one toilet in your house stopping up on a regular basis and how that can be a sign of some serious sewer line problems. When one toilet is slow, it might be the toilet. But when every toilet flushes slowly, it's time to look at your sewer line.
Yeah, if every bathroom in your house is struggling to flush, you're not just dealing with a lazy toilet. You've got a bigger problem hiding down the drain or sewer pipes.
A sluggish flush can be more than just a minor annoyance. It's your plumbing waving a red flag saying, hey, need help.
Exactly. Sure, it might just be a low flow toilet that needs some love, but if it used to work fine and now it sounds like it's struggling, gurgling, or maybe the bowl doesn't fill all the way, that's worth paying attention to.
One way to tell if it's an isolated issue is to test the other drains in the house. Run water in the sinks or tubs nearby. If they're draining slowly or making weird noises, you're probably looking at a blockage in your sewer line.
Let's not forget to think about what we're flushing as well. The toilet isn't a trash can. Wipes, paper towels, dental floss, all that stuff can get stuck in the pipes and build up over time and create major problems in your sewer line.
Especially if your house has older cast iron or clay pipes. They are unforgiving. They will clog.
Slow toilets, noisy drains, and sewer backups in the sinks and bathtub drains are all signs that your sewer line is sending you an SOS.
When homeowners call us about a sluggish toilet, we always check the entire plumbing system because it's rarely just one thing.
Yep. I mean, if your shower is backing up when you flush your toilet, or if your kitchen sink and bathroom drains are also slow to clear, that's not a coincidence.
That's your sign that the main sewer line isn't letting wastewater out, or at least not as much as it should.
And all of that pressure that builds up from trapped sewer gases has to go somewhere along the wastewater line. And that way is usually up, all the way back into your sink, tub, or shower drain every time a toilet is flushed.
That's why regular maintenance, and I'm talking about things like camera inspections inside the pipes and also inspecting all exposed piping for signs of wear and damage. Also, regular drain maintenance is critical, and it's kind of incumbent upon the homeowner to perform at least some kind of drain cleaning from time to time.
Yeah, there's about 1 million videos you can look up on YouTube that show you how to make a safe homemade drain cleaner out of vinegar and baking soda, like that whole volcano project that you made in 5th grade science class.
Nix offers our clients our favorite choice of natural enzyme-based drain cleaners. Using these chemical-free cleaners will not harm your plumbing, as the bacteria that are activated by the waste in the water begin eating away at that sludge that's stuck in your drain and your sewer pipe walls. There are some clogs the homeowner can handle. Others need more than some time and some elbow grease and a plunger.
Yeah, if it's a minor clog right in a trap, a plunger or even a regular drain snake might do the trick. And please, for the love of God, skip the chemical drain cleaners. They may clear enough of the drain clog to allow you for some sort of temporary water flow, but at what cost?
The worst thing you can do for your plumbing is start using a chemical drain cleaner. They can't completely clean the clogs in the drain and the sewer lines. They simply burn a hole through the clog until the chemical reaction stops. That's it. And they leave the rest of the debris behind.
Yeah, they also pose a major health risk, not only for the homeowner using them, but even more so for our plumbing tech that has to come in after you and snake his way through a grease and hair clog while liquid plumber's splashing back in his face.
But if you're plunging and the problem keeps coming back, it's probably not the toilet. It's something more profound.
Yeah, it might not even be a regular debris clog. It could be the result of tree root infiltration in your sewer line, or it's just a 7-year-old sewer pipe that finally said, nope, I'm done with this crap, literally.
That's when it's time to put the plunger down and call someone with a camera and a hydrojetter.
Professional tools and plumbing ingenuity are both required to properly clear severe sewer line blockages. Nick's technicians utilize more powerful and efficient equipment that can restore your drain and sewer lines to like new condition in just one visit.
Hydrojetting is the latest clog busting tool in our arsenal. And with a pressurized water flow of up to 8,000 pounds per square inch, it has no problem cutting through decades of grease, hair, mineral deposits, or whatever else is down there in your sewer pipes.
Yeah, I mean, right, a typical drain snake might only poke a hole into the clog, but hydrojetting, that scrubs the whole inside of the pipe. It's pressure washing for the interior of your drain and sewer pipes.
Now, if your issue is root infiltration, hydrojetting will be able to remove those roots, but the sewer line will remain cracked until we are relined or replaced.
Yeah, but once everything's clear, you flush and man, it should sound like a jet engine again. It's a beautiful sound.
Smarter plumbing habits can begin when you realize what you should not be sending down the drain.
Yeah, if you're dumping bacon grease or leftover mashed potatoes in the sink, we're going to have some words.
Same goes for hygiene products. Wipes, even the ones that say flushable.
Especially those that say flushable. All they do is leave your toilet and collect amongst the rest of the debris in the sewer line, narrowing the path for the wastewater and creating blockages.
Signing up for our maintenance program can also help. With an included annual plumbing inspection, our technician has a chance to spot small issues from an external visual inspection, as well as sending our camera snake down your sewer line to look for possible problems. So, to sum all this up, don't ignore a toilet that suddenly goes sluggish. It's not just annoying. It could be a warning sign.
Exactly. Whether it's bad flushing habits, aging pipes, or even an issue in the toilet tank, that weak flush might be telling you to act now before the system backs up.
And don't forget, Nix has the tools and the team to get to the bottom line and get it done fast. Call us before your bathroom turns into a wading pool. If you learned something new today or just happen to love plumbing and air conditioning, hit that like button. It helps us reach more homeowners who need to hear from us.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to the Potty Mouth Guys so you never miss an episode, right? Catch you next time.
Catch you next time.